Hello, today we share our push-to-open system with you. This one is the normal push-open system, and this four is a new one. This one you can see it with magnetic head. After long time to use, the magnetic force is not enough to close the door very well. So we produce this new one with the lock. You can see. It's very strong. It's also very easy to install. Just like this. Just paste it on the panel. Then put the screws here, 2 screws. And this one is decorative cover. It's more beautiful like this. All these 4 types, you can choose the model you like. This one is balloon type, and head edge type, the bigger one, and the different plate. Just choose which one you like. All these 4 models with the lock. It's very strong. You can use very long time.